Yes, I wanted to say something else on that I have said just before on the chakra. When we work on these three chakra, first, second, and third, we work to give us the life, to find the autonomy that we have lost, because in this when we are not in life in this part, we are dependent of the chief, of the kings, of the power. We execute only. When we work in this, we find a new time, the independence, the autonomy, and we find the master, the inside master, inner master, the inner guru. We don't need an external guru to say that it's good for me or not, that I must to do or not. I have this inside me. I know that I have to do this for me, and at the same time for the other also, but not to be dependent. We find in this, in the first chakra, to find, I repeat, the autonomy. Autonomy, I don't know exactly in English, excuse me. Okay, now I will talk of the massage. Tantric massage by Cocoon. It's not exactly a massage, it's a healing process. Because we don't do a technique. Yes, we have some gesture that we have to follow in a part, a little structure to follow, to understand what is the direction of the energy, how to do to help to progress in something. But the most important, and the presence inside. The presence. Yes, you will see it's very slowly. We are in meditation doing. We have a part a little active, yes, 15 minutes in the beginning, because we work on the body to have a body more, to unstress the body. We are in a body, we are incarnate, and we have to respect this. But we are not only this, and we work on all part, inside, on the human part, that I have said. And after, at this time, we give the massage in a state of meditation. We are totally inside, we are totally rooted, we are a channel. And it's important to be rooted also in this channel. And the hands where we are in this are giving the energy of the life to heal. A channel, what is this? It's when you have a flute, when you do this to play, this flute don't do something. It's the player doing. The flute let the wind, the air, passing inside. He let. It's the player move the finger and blow. Okay. We have to be in this state. As the life through us heal, and the life know much better that I have in the mind, that I believe that it's the best. Yes. And at this time, you will see that many things happen that you can't imagine. The body vibrate. Your hands perhaps start to vibrate. And under the body of the person that you give this healer, this healing process, this massage, if you want to say by this, but at this time something happened. And we touch the memory. The memory of that this person, this person haven't expressed, that they have put in all part in the body, depending of that she live. And at this time, when we are here, this memory start to be expressed and to be more light after. Wow, to feel more light, to feel more in life, because the energy start to go at this time. It was a blockage, it was something stopping the life inside, because I have stopped in the past, and it continue to stop if I haven't expressed. It's a memory. I give you something, for example, I give you one example. Perhaps I talk of that when I will see you, but it was a long time. I gave a massage to a woman that I didn't know. It was the first time. She was laid on the belly, and I was with a hand on the back. And when I arrive at the buttocks, my hands start to be as this, around, and to unify, to be as this, my hands under the belly. She was laid on the mattress with a plastic sheet, and my hands slide under the person, slide on the mattress. At this time, I had my hands here, under the belly. And very quickly, she started to do this on me. The body was totally agitated, shaken on my hands. I didn't know what had happened. I didn't know. And it was important that I didn't know. Because if I have put inside something in my mind, I had passed on the side. I couldn't imagine. Just at this time, I say to me, I put me in meditation, without expectation. No judgment, no expectation. All was okay. I didn't know what it was, but in my hands was not to take something. My hands was to be open and to receive, to be a reception only of what it was. And she was moving, and she was expressing some sound that I didn't know if it was pleasure or it was something pain. Sometimes the difference is difficult, but all was, it's okay. I accept all. The duration of that was 15 minutes. It's long. Not to move, only to be here. Only to be. After 15 minutes, I have continued the food, and I come back, I turn, okay. And we talk. And she say to me, thank you, Jean-Paul. Thank you. I have found my children. I have 2 daughters, and they born with a cesarean, with something when you open the belly. I don't know in English, excuse me, but I hope that you understand. You open the belly because she couldn't, the mother couldn't let passing between the legs. It was not possible. And they have opened by a surgery the belly. But for that, she had an anesthesia. And she said, I had a link, intimate link with them before, when they was in my belly. But after, when I go out of the anesthesia, they give me this baby, but the intimate link was cut. I knew that it was my children. She seemed to me, she had, but something was broken. If it was another baby, I don't feel something so strong that before. And 2 times it's arrived. And she say, now, in this moment, that you had your hands under my belly. I felt much pain. I have suffered a lot. And this, giving the link, woke up something that was stopped in the anesthesia. She said to me, it was as if I give birth now, really. And now I feel the link. It's so fantastic. I feel the link now with her. I have found her. Wow, I am so, in my heart, it's so good. How I could imagine this. You imagine? Not at all. It was not possible. But you see, for that, we must to be only here and not to put something that coming from my mind, just to meditate without mind. That it's really, and I can give you many things. Many examples for this kind of healing, and you will see when we will be together. Okay, bye bye, see you soon.